Hello! I hope everybody's doing okay. I haven't made a video in quite some time, but I bought something today. So this is the entry-level Sony A6100, as you can see. I've been switching to 4K for all my videos lately, and I would like to do an unboxing. My battery's about to die in this camera right now. Let's just do it real quick. Open this up. Which basically reveals the contacts. There's paperwork, some more paperwork, and then there you go. Hold this down, and then there is the camera strap, the battery, charger. Then you have the battery itself, and then a micro USB cable, and then the camera itself, which is right here. I bought the basic one with a kit lens on it, so this is what I'm going to be filming my YouTube videos on from now on. See, has a flip-up camera similar to what's already on this camera. The lens. Close that up real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this camera, and then I'm gonna start playing with this, and then from next one, you'll see from this one, we're gonna do a video test. So yeah, that's it. This is the video. I'm actually recording video off of the Sony A6100 right now, and from on, this is going to be my primary camera for recording video. I put some photos in there, and I hope you guys do like the quality of it. For some odd reason, when I first tried doing, recording video on it, it was saying that my SD card wasn't fast enough, so I had to get a new SD card. So hopefully by doing that, that should have solved everything, and I hope you guys are liking the quality of this. I am right now editing the rest of this video, and hope you guys have a good one. Bye!